Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and you won't believe this is the third time I've had to start this project over. I keep getting interrupted by different things, but and I do know how to stop and edit and all that, but then when I got interrupted, I come back and I cut something wrong, so I said I'm just going to start over. This is what we're going to make today. We're going to make this size right here, but you can also make this size, and I will leave the sizes for both of these, the measurements and everything, over on my blog. These are really good at Easter time to put those little candy Easter eggs in, jelly beans, malted milk balls, things like that, and give them out at Easter. And it's something you can use your scraps up on, and it's something that you can make quick since we're running out of time. All right, you're gonna need a piece of cardstock that is 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I'm going to have to look this time and make sure I'm getting everything cut right, and hopefully I won't get interrupted this time. All right, on the 8 1/4 inch side, you're going to score at 1 7/8, at 3 3/4, at 5 5/8, and at 7 1/2. So that's 1 7/8, 3 3/4, 5 5/8, and 7 1/2. You're going to turn it one turn, and you're going to score at 1 7/8, at 3 3/4, and then at 5. Okay, so that is all the scoring you're going to do. You can go ahead and put that scoreboard away. We're going to go ahead and fold and burnish on our score lines. Now, this score line right here, the one that's closest to the little 1/2 inch score line, make sure that you burnish that really, really well. That one is going to need to fold good, so I usually fold it both ways. So then just go ahead and fold and burnish all your others. You won't believe I'm about to get interrupted again. I think the mail lady is trying to come to my door, but hopefully somebody will get her outside. There's a couple of people outside, so maybe one of them will get her. So we're just going to go forth. All right, these 4 boxes right here are the boxes that you're going to put your mats on, these that are in the center. This one is going to be your front. We're going to put one there, and one right there. And I'm just trying to make sure that I've got all of my flowers going up instead of down. This paper collection that we're using is the Easter Blessings. No, Easter Wishes. Last year was Easter Blessings. This year is Easter Wishes by Lori Whitlock. And I do believe that we still have some of this in stock. I think. I will link below, and if we don't have any, then I will find you some somewhere and I'll link it. It's possible that May might have it if I don't, and I'll link hers. I am an affiliate for her, so if you shop through my link, then it helps me and her both out, so I would appreciate that. So if I don't have it, I'll link hers if she still has some in stock. All right, we're going to put these down. These mats, I don't know if I told you, these mats are 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and you need 4 of them. These come together really quick, and you can get 2 of these this size out of a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock. So, and I think you can get 2. I want to say you can get 2 out of a 8 1/2 by 11 cardstock too. Just watch how you cut it. I think you can get 2 out of there as well. Okay, we've got those on. We're going to flip it over. This is your end that has that 3/4 inch score line. And what you're going to do is this bottom part right here, this rectangle, not up here where you have those 2, but down here at the bottom where you just have this one long rectangle, you're going to cut that away because we do not need that. So just cut it away, and I do cut it a little bit of angle right there. Okay. Then right up here at the top, I angle that just a little bit, and then I go ahead and trim up on all these score lines. Now what you want to do is just go back and you want to angle all of them except one. I'm going to angle that one. I'm going to leave that one. I'm going to angle this one, or wedge, whatever you want to call it. Angle or wedge. Okay. Alright, so there we go on that. We're going to use some score tape to put this together, just because it goes a little bit quicker and it holds tighter. Now when you're putting your score tape on something like this, make sure that you put it right up close to the edge where that score line is. So then we're just going to pull this off, backing off of there. Fold this over, and it should go just exactly straight over like that. Alright, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and fold it in all directions and burnish. I think this one is going to be the front right here. So what I'm going to do is fold the two sides over, fold that bottom over like that. I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive right there. Now you can put more adhesive on these if you want. You can put adhesive on each layer, but I'm just going to put a little bit right there to make this hold together for the video. But when I make them for the classes, I put quite a bit on there. I just don't want the bottom falling out of them before the kids have time to get all their goodies out. Now all we need to do, you just need to pinch in on these sides right here. This is your front, so just pinch in on each side, right up at the top. And as you can see, since you folded that and scored it really well, then this bend is not going to go down any further than that score line. And then I take and just kind of fold that top back and forth a little bit to just kind of limber it up, and it gives it that little bit of a milk carton look. Then you can just clip it together with whatever. You can use a little clothespin to put it together with. You can use one of these clips to put it together with. I get these at Walmart. I have lots of people ask me where I get these. I get them at Walmart. They're usually back there by the office supply, just in a little bag, and I just grab a bunch of them. But you can put it together with that, or one of these clips, or one of these clips, and I'm not sure which one I want to use. They all look good on there. Oh, I like that one. I like that one too because it matches that green in there, but I think I'll go with that one. So just put them together with whatever you have. That will be cute. You could even put them together with ribbon if you want to. Doesn't matter. Okay, now I took my little 1/2-inch punch, and this one is discontinued, but you can just use whatever flower punch you have. And I punched out 3 little flowers, and I punched out the yellow that's in that background right there. And what we're going to do is lay them on top of, this is just a little piece of foam. I'm going to take the other end of my little pokey tool here, and I'm just going to press down in there to give these a little bit of dimension. Press down in the center. Alright. And then we're just going to turn them over, and I'm going to use a glue dot on the back of these. I think I'll put one right there. And we'll put one up here. And then one more right there. And then I have these 3 little red looking pieces of bling, if I can get them off of here. They have been around for a while, and I think it'll go with that darkest part that's in there, that darkest, it's kind of a dark orange, but I think it's going to go with it. we're going to make it go with it because we're going to put them on there. And I just like to use all of these little pieces up that I have. There we go. Oops. That one didn't want to stick, so we're going to put a dab of glue in there. Just a dot. And then we're going to pick that back up and put it down right there. Okay, now that glue is going to dry clear, so we're not going to worry about that. We're going to get a little string. You could take ribbon, whatever. I'm just going to use a little bit of this baker's twine in white. And I'm just going to tie a little bow. And then just clip those ends off. Put this on a sticky dot. Get my little tool here. And then we're just going to put that down right there at the top. And there is your little box. You can just open it up, fill it with all kinds of goodies, close it back up with whatever you want to close it with, and you've got a neat little box for all of those little goodies that you want to give out for your kids' classes, your grandkids. That's what I do. I do this for my grandkids and that kind of thing. So that's quick and easy. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget, please share this video. Ask people to come and subscribe to our channel, because when we reach 100,000, and yes, I know I'm a ways from 100,000, but I can do it with your help. When we reach 100,000, we're going to be giving away a Cricut Maker bundle. So let's share the video. Ask your friends to come over and join and watch if you don't mind. I would appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.